Hi everyone, morning. This morning, all people wake up is very easily and characters and vast. One thing is thinking in the morning, tea and coffee, something hot water, something is else to use for the reduce for all night is when you sleep after. The drinking water is very important. So this is a Ravana Nitya Kalyani, Sindhamani, Vedic Ayurvedic tea. Is the thorax and the back pain and the bone, elbows, so everything is take caring. Not the permanent solution, but in solution for permanently you can take every day this tea. Very nice for in solution for the human, the immunity power is grow with it and not the fevering and the body paining. That's nice. So Womavelli leaf, Nitya Kalyani flower and some leaf for the baby leaves, and then put the 1 inch ginger and beat them properly, and then after you can use the thyme seeds, very important for the human body, so that also is good to eat them and squeeze them, all the juices come outside, and also some mint leaf also you can use the 5 leaves, the mint leaf also you can put it inside, and after that you can use the coriander seeds also 20 gram. So this is the coriander seeds, you can put together, everything is together to beat them and the squeezing, all the juices come out and mixing, everything is carried, the different smell and the different the smell is very hygiene human body for the very sensitivities. We can put the 3 cup water and then boil them slowly. You can put the top of the cover and heavy, and then in the 3 cup go to 1 cup is creating those, all the juices with him, the water and some salt, 1 pinch salt, and you can use them honey, the natural honey. You can mix them the sweetness and the ginger spices and the coriander spices, everything is mixed to come out to the good smell, and little bit check them, then you can use everything, slowly soak them. After that you can straining the tea or the cup, you can see them very fantastic in the morning when you're drinking. Thyroid almost control, and the lady period time you can use them this tea regularly, you are happy, your body and immunity, the immunity is very needed, all the circulations, blood circulation, everything is get the fast, and the blood pressure also is controlled, and the cancer almost is controlled. Share them, subscribe them, and bye.